So we're going to continue using the principle of the reduced triangle to try to figure out if these triangles are part of a family. And we're going to find the missing side without using a calculator. So if I look at these two sides, I've got 45 and 97. The GCF between those two is 9. So if I divide by 9, I get 5 and I get 3. And so this then is going to be a member of the 3, 4, 5 family. And what we need to do is the opposite operation. So we divided to figure out the family. So now we need to multiply by 9. The side that we did not have is 4. So we're going to do 4 times 9, which is going to give me 36. In problem 2, we have mixed numbers, so first we want to change those to improper fractions. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5, so I have 5/3. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So I've got a 5 and a 13 in the numerators here. So using that, this is going to be a member of the 5, 12, 13 family. And it looks like we multiplied by a third, also known as dividing by 3. And so then the side that was missing is 12, so we're going to do 12 times 1/3, or 12 divided by 3, which gives us 4. On problem 3, our GCF is 2, so 14 divided by 2 is 7. 48 divided by 2 is 24. So it looks like we have the 7, 24, 25 family. We need to do the inverse operation. Instead of dividing, we're going to multiply by 2. The missing side was 25, so 25 times 2 is 50. And then last, when I look here, I see that my GCF is going to be a 4. So if I divide by 4, I get 3. If I divide here by 4, I get 4. And again, this one's a little bit tricky because this 4 is not a leg. In order for it to be a member of the 3, 4, 5 family, the 4 needs to be on the leg, and a 5 would need to be on the hypotenuse. So we would do 3 squared plus b squared equals 4 squared. So 9 plus b squared equals 16. B squared equals 7 after we subtract 9 from both sides. Then taking the square root of each side, we get that b is 7. So that's the missing side for this triangle. And then we need to do the inverse operation. So instead of dividing by 4, we're going to take the square root of 7 and we're going to multiply it by 4. And so then the answer for that missing side is 4 root 7.